You don't need 20 habits. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m. You need this, a routine that actually grows you. 1. Own your morning. Wake up before the noise. Even 30 quiet minutes can rebuild your mind. No phone, just water, light, breath. 2. Move your body, stretch, walk, push. Not for abs, for momentum, because emotion follows motion. 3. Write it down. Don't carry your day in your head. Write 3 things: what matters, what you're avoiding, what you're grateful for. Clarity kills chaos. 4. Eat like you respect yourself. Whole foods, protein, water. Energy doesn't come from caffeine. It comes from care. 5. Learn something. 1 page, 1 podcast, 1 insight. Growth is quiet until it isn't. 6. Create before you consume. Even 5 minutes, write, building express. Don't just scroll, leave a mark. 7. Reflect. At night, sit with yourself. No noise, just this question. Where did I grow? Where did I hide? And who am I becoming? You don't need perfection. You just need a rhythm that you can repeat, a system that grows you. Slowly, quietly, powerfully. Start with 1 habit, then show up again tomorrow, because you're not rebuilding your life overnight. You're rewiring who you are, 1 small win at a time.